We're going to have our spotlight presentation from one of our very important sponsors. Please join me in giving a big round of applause as we welcome our two lovely hosts for this session.
First of all, I would like to thank you for attending this conference and product launch. My name is Hassan Abdulhamid from No1 Events, CEO founder of No1 Events, and I'm proudly to announce to you today that we are bringing a new product to Saudi Arabia, something which is new to see in the Middle East and maybe in the world.
We will do the giant mechanical installations. Secondly, we do small mechanical installations, and also the Mass X and electronic sightseeing rack, infinity dome, and the 360 trinity dome, inflatable sculptures as well.
All that sculpture we did it before is like made it for the Chinese market. Of course, we're ready to build any other designs belong to the culture where we are.
It's a falcon. So this is design from scratch. We try to make it finished this year or early next year. So this will come to Middle East. This is our another product called Dome Theater, and this has no seat, and it accommodates 200 people in one show. The duration time of the show is 8 minutes or 10 minutes. We have delivered 80 plus in China already, 80.
Wow.
All of them.
We're thinking to have our first Falcon. We're thinking also about Camel. As I told you, we are here to introduce the technology, okay? Designs that we can create whatever design you want, you know? We have our own things what we did in China before, and we're going to do something, inshallah, very soon.